So you click on your Outlook app. When you're in your Outlook app, you should see these little people icon over on the left hand side. Click on that. You can go into your contacts list. So what you do is new contact, click the arrow down and click on new contact list. Type in the name of it, whatever it is. So, I don't know, senior management. If I could spell, be helpful. Then literally type in all the email addresses individually, blah, 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 and then just click on create. And then every time you're in the Outlook online, basically when you go into your emails, so you can click on, so let's say my contact lists, I have all my class lists listed here, so you can click on them and you can click send an email, or literally when you go into your actual email, you can click on new message. Anytime today, you can click on new message. And then in the two, let's say 5th years. So this is my groups coming up now. So I'm going to go 5th years and one of my groups is 15.5. And then that's how you do it.